everybody, I'm back again with another easy and delicious meal for you. This is for all my pasta lovers. How about some Salmon Fettucine Alfredo? Man, you can put any meat that you want with this dish. I'm using salmon because this is what I want today. And this recipe is really geared towards the Alfredo sauce. This one especially for those of you who love the sauce and want to cut a little time in making it by yourself at home. This is my personal recipe, so let's get busy. Alright, we're going to start out with 3 tablespoons of butter in the pan. Melt it down, and once that thing starts to bubble, we're going to drop in some garlic paste. I made the garlic paste myself, you know, just put it in the pestle and mortar with a little salt and just grind it and grind it and grind it till it makes a paste consistency kind of like that. And we're going to stir that in the pan until it becomes fragrant. As soon as you smell it, drop in that heavy whipping cream. Now you can check the descriptions for the exact measurements of this recipe. It will be listed down there. But yeah, drop that heavy whipping cream in there, whisk it in till the butter and the garlic and everything is blended well. Then you want to bring it to a simmer, and we're going in with some delicious Parmesan and Romano cheese. Whisk it in, and now we're going to season this baby with a little salt, pepper. We're going to whisk that, and then we're going to revisit the seasoning with a little fresh grated nutmeg and one of my most favorite spices, of course, some cayenne. Alright, once that sauce reaches the consistency that you want, go ahead and add your pasta, your fettuccine noodles to your pasta sauce. Give it a little quick stir and drop in some fresh chopped basil. Oh yeah. Then you're gonna go ahead and kill the heat on that pan, cover it, and then just let it sit while you get your salmon together. We're gonna go with a little drizzle of olive oil, and of course the new spices that's coming to you soon, the Gooderthanamug seasoning line. That right there is my Gooderthanamug seasoning salt. That shit good on everything. I guarantee you're gonna love it. So go ahead and sprinkle some of that on both sides of the salmon. Why? Because we eat both sides. Go ahead and oil your pan, drop that salmon in. We're gonna give it a little quick sear. Alright, just give it some color on the outside and make sure it's good and done in the middle. It's according to how thick your pieces are. My pieces took about 3 minutes on each side and they were done.